first, and it is like a travel website which we are going to make. Okay, so travel website which we are going to make. So let us come here and okay. We'll have index.html, style.css, and all of this code will be there, of course. And let us have let us have one more folder, which is images, and we'll have two images inside it. Okay, so I'll close it now. So we have two images. One is this logo, okay, and the other is this beautiful Maldives images. Okay, so this is the thing which we are going to do, and then okay. So let's get started with the index.html, not and travel, and link is style.css, and we save it, go live. Okay, so nothing is there right now. Okay, so let us add a header first. Okay, we'll add a header first here. Let us do that. Header and div dot main and ul align. Okay, so we're making a menu bar first. So here I'll do a home and services, gallery, about, and contact. Services, galleries, about, and contact. Save it. So this is coming like this. Okay, so now the next thing which we are going to do, let us add some Poppins font. Okay, some Poppins font we'll add. You can get it from the Google Fonts, but let us not waste time and get it here. And then after that, I'll do star or bin is 0. So this is actually very good looking site. Okay, padding is 0 and font family is Poppins, serif, header, background image, URL, images, and Maldives.jpg, and height is 100, vertical height, and background size is cover. So background size cover is a very important property. Okay, so for the background image, and background position is center, so I'll save it. And now beautiful Maldives image is shown, and perfectly it is shown. Okay, so because background size cover and background position center we have taken. Okay, so this is pretty much good. So now we'll fix our menu items. Okay, so let us do that, and for that I'm going to do a ul and float. Yeah, we are using float, a very old property. But yeah, sometimes we can use it so that we don't forget this thing. Okay, list, style, type is none, and margin top is 25 pixel. Okay, so like this, float right it is going, and list style type is none, so that asterisks are going away and it is none. So then we are going to do ul and display inline block, so that will come one after the another, display inline block. Okay, so that is there. Then ul li a and text decoration is null. Okay, text decoration null. Color is this. Padding is 5 ps 20 pixel. I don't need a font size. Border is 1 px 12 this, and transition is there. Okay, so that is there. I will save it. Now it is showing perfectly like this. I'm showing it like this, and now let's have some over property here. So that will do by ul li a over, and background color is hash ff, and color is black. So like this we have done. Now the overing will change everything, and the transition is also there, so it will be ease, it will be very easy. Okay, so that is there, and now it is looking perfect. So now what we are going to do, we are going to put the logo in our site. So in the div main we're going to go, and here I am going to have a div dot logo, and here img and src images logo dot png, and logo will be there. And let us make this class as active. So li class equal to active. Uh, so it is looking very big. Okay, so even my li and all is not been shown, so we have to fix this thing. So let us fix this thing, and we'll go here, and first thing, that active class I need to fix that. So I'll do here, and ul li dot active a, and background color is ff, and color is this. So the active one is shown like this. Okay, so first one we are just making it as active, and it's showing like this. We are not doing any javascript or something here. Okay, so that is there. Now we have to make this uh, 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 one thing. Okay, so this logo, this image, now we have to do this image is way too big. So I'll come here and do the dot logo img, and float left, because see, this whole thing I'm floating to the right, this whole thing I'm floating to the right ul. So the image we have to float to the left, image we are floating to the left, and then width is 150 px, and height is auto, like this, and it is showing perfect. And we have to do this main also, we need to do dot main, and max width is 1200 pixel, and margin is auto. Okay, so this, so this is looking perfect. Now let us add the title. We'll have a big title here. Okay, so that will add. So we'll come here, and div, I'm going to have a, so this you can use anywhere, this is a very good looking site. So div dot title I'm going to have, and here h1 the web dev. Web is not showing here, but we have to add the style for it. Okay, so style. Okay, so okay, and one more thing, we'll go to this header in which the image is there. We'll add a bit of linear gradient because it is too heavy, so we are going to show a bit of darkness in it. Okay, so we are going to do it with the first we are going to do it with the linear gray DIENT linear gradient, and we can give a comma after this linear gradient and comma after this, and then RGBA and 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.5. So see, a black kind of linear gradient has been shown. Now we'll do this title. So let us do this title. So we'll go here, and after our maybe after our header only we should put the title. So dot title, and position is absolute, and top is 50%, left is 50%, trans. Okay, top is 50%, left is 50%. Okay, so see, it has come here, and this is another way to center things. Okay, instead of this flex box and all, this is another way. So transform, because it is not exactly center, so to put it exactly like at the center. So for that, actually what we need to do, transform translate, and minus 50% and minus 50%. I'll save it, and then okay, so it is now showing here. Now it is not the color and all are not good, so let us change the color and all. So I'll do a dot title and h1, and text transform is uppercase, and color is hash FFF, and font size is 70 pixel, and save it. So web dev has been shown like this. Okay, so now it is perfect. Okay, so now we will create the button in the project. So let us go back to the index.html, and after this title and all, we are going to have a button. So div dot button, here a will be the href is there like this, and class equal to btn watch video, and btn learn more, save it. So we'll have this button. See, these buttons are been like the anchor tag. We anyways we are going to make them look like button. Okay, so let us do that. So I'll come here, and here let us do here only dot button, and position is absolute, top is 60%, left is 50%, and transform is translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Save it. So it is coming at the correct place. Now this button dot btn we are going to do dot btn, and border is 1 px solid, and FF, and padding is 10 px and 30 px, and color is hash FFF, and so like this, and text transform is uppercase, and text decoration is none, so that line will go away, and we'll have a transition also here. So transition is 0.6 sec is transition. Okay, so it is like this, and the transition will happen when I hover over it. So dot btn, and over is background color is hash FFF, and color is black. Save. So I'll hover, and the subtle transition is also there. So this is a simple looking travel site, and you can create more of it, so you can use it and all. So background with a lot of things are there, and this is a very simple looking. Okay, so this is done. Now we are going to do the next thing, which is a uh, like a strawberry company website, a company selling strawberries. Okay, so we are going to do that. So let us do that, and I will close this port. New folder is strawberries, strawberries. Here I'll have a index.html and style.css, and I will have a images folder also here. So this images folder will actually contain a lot of images. Okay, a lot of images will contain, and this is the main one of the main images, strawberry image. So that is it. The strawberry site is a, so strawberry images will be there. Okay, so that is there, and let us do this now. So and then strawberries strawberries site is there, and link is CSS is there, and then div dot hero and div dot navbar and img images slash logo.png, and alt is logo, and save it. And we have to go live also here. Go live. So see, this is our logo, Fruitopia. Okay, so that is there. So now let us use some Google font again, but to go to that site and all, let us use some Google font. Okay, we'll have a Google font here, and then after that, let's go here, and star margin is 0, and padding is 0, and font family is PO, Dosis and sans serif, because that is what we have taken. Then we have to go to this hero, and width is 80%, and margin is auto, and okay, so it's showing like this. and then this navbar, we will give the style for this navbar dot navbar, and margin is 30 px auto, and display is flex, and align items is center. Save it, so it is showing like this. Okay, so logo is perfect. Now we have to make a navbar. So let us make the navbar. So we'll come here to the index.html. After this images, I'll have a ul will be there, and then after that li will be there, and a will be there, and href is hash, and home, about, contact, about and contact. So this is coming like this. Now it's time to fix it and show it beautifully. So let us do that. So we'll go here and the ul flex property you're taken 1 1. So 1 1 auto. Okay, then text align is right, so it will move to the right, and then so this is like flex 110 is like the complete form, like that you need to see my flex series, like 110 is a complete thing. Okay, so that is like that. ul li is display is inline block, and list style is none, margin is 0.25 pixel. Save it, so it will come like this. Then ul lia text decoration is none, and text transform is uppercase, and color is black, and padding is 0.10 pixel, and position is relative. So it's showing now perfect. Okay, now we'll have something with the after property. We'll have a underline with that. Okay, so let us see how to do that. ul lia after, and content is like this, and width is like 0, and height is 10 pixel, and background is hash f14 a60, and position is absolute, and left is 50%, and transform is translate y minus 50%, and top is 18px, and transition is 0.5 sec, like this. So it will be shown like this, and ui this a over after, and width is 100%. So the moment I take this over, see what is happening. And this is because of this after property. Okay, so this is how the cool thing is been done. Okay, so now we'll add the code for some more icons in the menu in the html. So let us go here in the index.html, and then after this home and all is there, and this ul is there, and then after this div dot navbar icons, and img, and src images and bell.png, and alt is bell img src images and user.png and user. Okay, and next is img src images and menu.png and menu, like this. So we'll have these three things. Okay, these three things are very popular. Okay, and then the next thing which we are going to do is a div dot banner. Okay, banner will be there, and div dot left column. And today we did the 5 css front-end mentor project. Hope you like that, and that is the certificate you can get only by completing one of the projects. So please do see it. Okay, how to do that. And then div of search box, div dot search box is there, and I will have a img src images and search dot png, alt is search, and input type is text. So this left column is there. After that I will have a div dot right column, and I will have a img and images and feature.png, and alt is feature, and save it. So see, though these two things are now showing very big, and all these things are showing all wrong. So this let us do this. Okay. So first this. Okay, one sec. Actually, there is something is wrong. This Navbar icons will actually come inside the Navbar, and this div class banner is like it is different. Okay, div class banner is like different. Okay, they are the two parts actually. Div class banner is different, and Navbar will not be here. Navbar will be here, and this div is this div. Okay, so here I have got two parts. Okay, one is this navbar, which is containing this navbar icon. So one is this banner, which is having this left column and a right column. So like this, it will be at the top only. So that was wrong. So I fixed it. Now let us do this thing. So this navbar icons, I'll go and dot number icons and img in the number icons and the img. Height is 25 pixel, margin left is 40 pixel, and cursor is pointer. Save it. So it is like this. This images we have made it small. Okay, then navbar icons, margin left is 40 pixel, like this, and this should be a bit smaller actually. This is the perfect size. Actually, my screen I have done it a bit small. This is actually the perfect size. Okay, so navbar icons, margin left is 40 pixel, and then we'll have the banner. So banner is what this banner I'm going to do. So dot banner, and display is flex, and margin top is 80 pixel. Okay, so now it is doing. So banner is display flex means left column and the right column are its children. Okay, so that is there. And then we'll have a dot left column comma dot right column, and flex basis is 50%. Flex basis is 50%, so means 50-50 will be there. And right column image, right column I have an image, so we're going to do that. Right column, and img is like width is 100%. So this is very important. See what happens, this width 100% you have to give, then only it will be fixing it here. Okay, so that is there. And then this search box, we need to do this search box. So let us come here and do this search box, and dot search box width is 45%, and we'll have a display of flex. So the moment we have a display of flex, see what happened here, image and input are its two children, so display box of flex will be assigned here. And then padding bottom is 3 pixel, and border bottom is 1 pixel solid hash ddd. And then margin is 10 pixel 0 30 pixel. Yes, so search box is not showing correctly and all, so not correctly, we have to do some more thing here. So search box and img, and then height is 25 pixel, width is 25 pixel, and cursor is pointer. Save it. So it is showing like this. Cursor is pointer and image is there. And then the search box input and width is 100%. Width is 100%. Margin left is 15 pixel, and font size is 17 pixel. Border is 0, and outline is none. Save it. So now it is showing quite good. Okay, so showing quite good. And give the we are going to do this. There is a lot of things remaining here, and we're going to do this two sites only today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the attendance on now only. Mark here. This. Okay. So that is done. Now let us have some H1. So strawberry company is having no statement and all. So let us have some things here. So let me make it a bit big now. Now again I will make it small. Okay. So after this input type text is there, and then after that I will have a H1 and STR AW, and then I will have a span here because I want to have that in a different style. Berries, berries, and then H3 will be happiness is a basket of span fresh. So a logo of the company STRAWBERRIES, strawberries, I guess. And that don't have too much of this kind of thing. And lorem, I'll do our favorite lorem will be there. And after this, we'll have a p tag, and after this we have a button. Okay, div dot btn, and button is learn more class equal to primary button, and button is watch video, save it. So we have all these things now. So now it's time to fix them. So let me make it small again. Let me go here style.css, and we are going to choose this. Where is it? Okay, so we are going to choose this left column because we are going to do the h1 of it. Okay, left column, and h1 is font size is, it will be a big font, 100 pixel. 100 pixel is way too big. See how big it is. It is very big. And left column h3 is font size will be like 30 pixel. Okay, so h3 is like happiness, that thing. And this left column have this span. Okay, this span, actually this span is there, this span is there. There are two spans are there, so we'll color them differently. And left column and span color is hash A16. See, there were two spans and they are done like this. Okay, now left column T, font size is 14px, font size is 14px, and color is hash 999, and margin is 50px 0. Okay, so like this it is shown. Then this dot btn button padding is 7 pixel, 30 pixel, and margin right is 15 pixel, and outline is none. Then buttons are line like this. Okay. Border is 1px solid hash fb 7381, and the border is like this. And border radius is 20 pixel. It will be quite round like this. And then cursor is pointer, and then color is hash fb, same color will be like this. And the background will actually be transparent. The background will be like transparent. And button, in the button we have a primary button also, so we'll do that now. So this btn and dot primary btn is like background is linear gradient, and it will be FB7381 comma hash F14A6P, and box shadow is between the box shadow. Okay, a box shadow will be there, and then we'll have a color of hash FFF. Save it like this, so it is showing much more better. Like this primary button, see this dark effect and all that is there. It is showing better. Okay. So and last we'll add the social icons in our project. So let's add the social icons, and for that also we have some code, some images and all are there. So let us add those things at last. Okay. So here in the index.html, after this watch videos and all, we'll have a div dot social icons, and then IMG, SRC, images, Twitter.png, and TWITTER, Twitter. Okay, second one will be INS, Instagram.png, and it is Instagram. Third one will be PIN, Pinterest, and it will be Pinterest. Fourth one will be Facebook, and it is like facebook.png. Save it, so it will show like this. Okay, it will show like this, some big and all. So let us fix those social icons, and for that I will go here again, and we'll come down and do the dot show social icons as width is 200 pixel, and text align is center, and opacity is 0.4, and margin top is 50 pixel, and cursor is pointer. So it is showing like this. And social icon, the images are very big, so we'll come here and do the social icon img, and img height is 20 pixel, and margin is 0 14 pixel, and transition is transform is 0.2 sec is there, and social icons img over, and transform scale is 1.5. Save it. No, so the social icons are done. If I hover over it, so they're becoming big. So this is what is happened by this transform. If you hover over them, it will become big. So our strawberry site is also done. All of these things are done. You can use it in all project, and it will look really good. So we have done two sides, and it's almost time also. So we have done these two sides. Rest 2 days also we're going to do some more sites, maybe two to three sites every day we're going to do. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we are going to do some sites. So like this we have done two sites, and you can use them in a project, because I'm going to give you the code and all. So code and all, who all have filled the attendance sheet, and